Did you know many people are having trouble with connecting wireless microphones? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Power on your Ikarao Break X2 speaker and make sure Bluetooth mode is temporarily disabled. Step 2. Turn on mics. Turn on the wireless microphones by pressing and holding the power button until the blue light appears. Step 3. Verify connection. Verify connection by checking for a microphone icon on the speaker's display and change microphone effects to test. Step 4. Adjust volume. Adjust the microphone volumes independently from the main volume to your preferred level. Step 5. Select mode. Select and customize microphone modes using the speaker's controls to enhance your audio experience. Now you should be able to seamlessly connect and use wireless microphones with your Ikarao Break X2 speaker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ikarao users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.